What is up, guys? It's David, Third Coast Hustle. Today we got another pressure washing job. Got a house wash and a nice long driveway to clean. And this is the second in it's the second house I'm doing for a property management company here in Tallahassee. They have about 150 properties. Well, the team that I'm working for under this company has about 150 properties, and I've been trying to get on with them for a little while. And got a puppy dog. I don't want to aggravate him, but they threw me about 20 of them. Been trying to get on with them for a while, for about 2 years now, and they finally let me in. Threw me 20 properties to see how I do. Oh, the sun is messing this up right here. So this is the second one. I had one yesterday. I forgot my GoPro at home, so I went ahead and knocked that out. But doing these for a little less than I normally would. Actually a significant bit less than I normally would if it was my own customer, but I don't have to do any marketing for these guys. I don't have to, really. It's just 20 jobs just fell in my lap, so I'm gonna do them a little bit cheaper so that way I can compete with their other guy. There's another company that's really cheap, but not too bad, not too far off from my price. Definitely doing it for cheaper to get in with them, because like I said, they got a whole bunch of properties, and I'm going to use this to fill my calendar between my jobs. So I think it'll be a good deal. I'm going to hit all of this with some pressure, and this side right here, and that little spot, and then everything else is just soft wash. The brick isn't really that dirty, so this shouldn't take too long. The longest thing is going to be this driveway. I'm thinking getting $325 for this job, so can't be here more than 3 hours. I don't think we will be, so let's get into it. got the back pressure washing done. Hit this up with the surface, not with the surface cleaner, with the turbo nozzle. Got that all sorted out. Got the driveway done. I haven't post treated the driveway. I'm gonna post treat after I get done washing the house. That way I don't have to swap out hoses and whatnot. Got a soft wash line run ready to go. Driveway's looking real good. Wasn't too bad to begin with, but it'll look a lot better after I post treat it. Got in here done. Coming along, making good time. I'll be out of here in like an hour. So go back to the back and start soft washing. Alright, that's it for today. We're all done. Took me right at about 3 o'clock, 3 hours. It's 1 o'clock now. I got here at 10. Got everything done. It's kind of aggravating. When I was about to start on this side, a plumber showed up and 2 other roommates came over, and just people started showing up out the woodworks. This is a lot cleaner than it looks in the video for some reason. It looks like there's a real bad spot like that, but I don't know. It's not really like that in person. It's kind of weird. Maybe because it's wet. I did come back with it and let me get away from this AC. I did come back with it with a pump up sprayer and hit another layer, another coating of SH just to be sure. But front's looking good. This is probably the most noticeable difference right here. This from the driveway. And over here is all cleaned up. Up into here. front. Go down the side. Yeah, lawn guys everywhere, air conditioners everywhere. Y'all ain't gonna be here nothing. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover on this one. Oh, you know what? There might be a spot I have to rinse off over here. I think I forgot about it. But looking more better. Oh yep, bleach took care of it. I'm gonna rinse that off just to make sure it don't do nothing. I'm gonna rinse that spot right over there. But that's it for today. We're gonna take a look at the driveway, and then I'm gonna rinse this all down. Y'all need to see that. Y'all know what a water hose look like. Here's the driveway. Post treated it. Had a plumber pull up. I want to park right there, so I told him spin the block. I'll treat right here, and then you can get wherever you want to get. But he took off and parked across the street, so that was cool. This is the driveway. Looks real nice, real nice. I've been getting questions like, why don't I post treat? I don't think I need to. If it's really dirty, obviously I'll like if it's real bad, if like it's all black, obviously I'll pre-treat it. But I don't see a point in putting the bleach down when I'm gonna pressure wash it and put the bleach on top of the cleaner spot. But to each their own, I guess. I'm sure it does help, but I haven't noticed a difference, and I stopped doing it a few months ago and haven't noticed a difference. Saving a little bit of bleach. But that's it for today. As always, I appreciate you hanging out. If you watched this far, please drop me a like, maybe a comment, say something good, say something bad, don't matter to me. All that engagement helps. Appreciate you. Catch you next time. Trying to run this little dude off. He want to fight. Go, bro. I don't want to mess you up. No, he ain't really about that action. He's not a meanie. Come on, bro. You got to go somewhere. You're in the way. A pretty snake.